Friday. It was raining the whole day. And then when he was from work, driving with the motorcycle, going here, and yung sa ano namin is very bakilid ganyan. Slide siya. Natumban. Ang laki pa naman yung kanyang motor. Ito yung nangyari sa kay asawa na have an accident. Can you show? Balik yung kanyang bones. And ito
It
purple
was
lahat.
broken directly under the
Under
shoulder.
here?
Under the shoulder.
Can you show? Kumalo is, hala siya. A lot of purple here. Is this hurting? On where is the cut?
Here, starting, here they make the metal.
The metal. How many
Cut.
metal? How many screw?
Screws in my arm now.
Yeah.
I don't know. I need to count again. 2 plates, and I think
2 plates.
two metal plates, and I think 6 screws. No, not 6. 9 screws.
Hindi na siya nakauwi sa bahay. Dinala na ng ambulansya doon sa hospital. Hindi ko na nakita siya. Doon ko na lang siya nakita sa hospital. Cannot move his arms anymore.
No, it was not possible because the bone was completely broken.
Yeah, it was separated from the shoulder.
Now I have screws inside. Forever.
Forever?
Forever. When I go now I have now a card that I need to bring to the airport, and there is written that I have metal in my shoulder. There.
Forever.
Forever.
With 2 metal plates and how many screws? 6?
9.
9 screws.
Yeah.
9.
I want to show the path.
Yeah, but we still Schuldig kong anak. Schuldig mo.
Was ist denn? Mama hat dich
Because he cannot be seen. But we still be thankful because it's just a broken bones, not
a broken head.
a broken head. Also not a broken legs. He can still walk.
Yeah.
But his that left arm is broken now, and
But I'm right-handed.
yeah, good thing he's right-handed also.
And now I need a lot of calcium.
You need to drink milk.
Oh, it's good.
And kaya hindi siya nakauwi sa bahay dahil almost 1 week siya sa hospital. Kami lang dalawa dito ni Ethan.
Friday until now, yeah.
Write the name.
Today Wednesday, from Friday to Wednesday. Because the operation just was on Monday.
Na-disgrasya siya last Friday, and then ang operasyon niya is last Monday. So ilang araw din siya naghintay doon sa hospital. Ngayon yung kanyang left arm hindi niya nagagalaw. You cannot move it, or
I'm not allowed to move it.
you're not allowed to move it, and he needs to come back
The doctor said not moving for a while.
for a while.
Yeah, 4 weeks I need to have this one.
4 weeks.
Mhm.
So,
So I will start the ice machine again.
Hello guys,
5 days. Oda, how many since you have how many days since you have operation?
Monday.
Hello guys, it's
Yeah,
Benithan.
5 days.
It's an anak.
Hello
On
guys,
today,
it's Benithan.
yeah, the bis Ethan. Today,
Hello guys, it's
Last week I broke it.
Benithan.
today he come back at the hospital because the doctor changed the what do you call this bandage. Ang stitch.
Checking the wound.
I will put the stitch. I don't know if I can put it the one the picture because even me I don't like to watch it, but the stitch is from here to here. I can see it, and then here is the
Hole where
Hole.
the tube was inside.
yeah, and it's still so red here,
Red and blue.
dark
and
purple. Last time when we see it, it was so purple, and now it's yellow.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Fun,
But it's still yeah,
Swollen.
it's still swollen.
Papa, du schlafen leider.
This is
Papa, du
on. It's hurting.
Not so much now.
I do.
I take painkillers.
So 5 days. 5 days post operation. We cannot make garden harvest because no one will help me.
I can help. I have one hand.
Yeah, but small work is anstrengend. What is anstrengend in English?
Tiring.
Tiring. On small work is tiring because it's still swollen and everything is still hurting. Ilang beses na akong nag-grocery mag-isa at hindi nga nakakapag-drive si asawa. And ginagamit ko lang yung bike na hinatid ko kay Ethan. Ang hirap pala mag-grocery nang walang sasakyan. Mabigat. Oh my God guys, nandito ako sa pangalawang grocery. Bumili ako ng strawberry na hinihingi ni Ethan at saka karning baka. After dito, pupunta tayo sa garbage center at kailangan ko ng garbage cellophane. Si asawa yung palaging kumukuha niyan. Ngayon, I need to go dahil nga hindi makapag-drive. Tapos, I need to get money in the ATM. Ang dami kong pinuntahan ngayon na hindi ko naman ito ginagawa dati. Ay, nako talaga. Kailangan ko talaga ng auto. So, pumunta ako sa aming garbage center dito para sana kumuha nung yellow garbage bag. Kaso, sarado sila. Hindi ko alam kung kailan mag-open. Baka mamaya na lang ako pupunta together with Ethan. Kailangan ko talaga ng gelbizak. Matagal ko na talagang kailangan yan. 1 week nga nawala si asawa sa bahay. More than 1 week dahil before siya na disgrasya is pumunta yan siya sa other city para may work sa other city. Tapos yun nga pauwi sa bahay na disgrasya. So ngayon lahat ako ang gumagawa. Oh my God talaga. Tapos ang lakas pa ng aking period ngayon. Feeling ko nga na na ako. Dahil sobrang lakas talaga, hindi ko alam bakit. Siguro sa sobrang stress na din. So ngayon, nandito ako sa bangko. Inutusan ako ni asawa na kumuha ng pera. At kailangan ko din ng pera. At wala na akong pera. Naubos na talaga. Yung usually naman dito is itap-tap lang dahil sa bangko. Pero minsan, kailangan din talaga na merong like money sa pitaka. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, uuwi na tayo sa bahay. Yung aking grocery nandyan sa loob. Itong lugar na ito kung saan ako ngayon, malapit lang ito sa kindergarten ng Ethan. Pwede mo lang lakarin. Mula dito, pauwi sa amin, mga 15 to 20 minutes for biking. So, ayan, let's go. Uuwi na tayo. Morgan. So guys, at last, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Super sunny pala ngayon and mainit ngayon. Nasa more than 30 degrees yung weather ngayong araw kaya sobrang mainit. Si Ethan naman, gusto na naman yun ngayon na magligo-ligo. Kaso yung dito sa Germany, grabe iba talaga yung init nila dito. Ibang-iba sa Pilipinas, kahit sa atin. Sa Pilipinas, kahit mainit na mainit, kayang-kaya pa naman. Ano nangyari sa aking buhok? Pero dito, yung init dito, kahit nasa 25, 26 degrees, parang summer sa Pilipinas na sobrang init talaga. Iba yung init dito, super tuyo ng init. Yeah. Ang bigat pala ng aking pinamili ngayon. Ang bigat talaga. Talaga niya. Hindi pa maganda yung pakiramdam ko ngayon ba. Ay, nako. We don't have a choice para na ako nito single mom. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ang sakit pa ng aking mga paa. Ay. Is that open, Ishva? Guys, sobrang luwang na talaga ng aking pantalon. Ayan, papayat pang more. So, ito pala yung ginawa sa iyo. Very good. Yung aking period. Yung aking period, sobrang lakas. Ganyan din ba kayo mag-period? Like, parang bumabaha. Kaya, I don't like to kanang galaw-galaw if may period ako kasi every galaw ko, sumasabog. Ito pala yung, alam nyo ba, nung binili ko siya, na-shock ako dahil ang presyo nito is 4 euro something. Sobrang mahal. 4 euro. Pero grabe naman, sobrang laki. Sabi ni anak kasi gustong gusto daw niya ito. So, once in a year, man lang makatikim si Ethan ng ganitong kalaki ng mga strawberry. The same pa din siya lasa. Strawberry pa din yung lasa. Kaso gusto niya ito kasi malaki daw. Was musst du essen? Tapos, bumili tayo ng napakaraming itlog. I usually buy a lot of egg dahil everyday, ang dami kong itlog na kinakain. Kapag si Ethan nakakita na ang dami kong itlog na kinakain is gustong-gusto din niya. Kaya, ang dami kong pinibili. Ito siya is 18. We also have some meat. Gusto kong magsabaw. Pinili din ako ng tinapay for Ethan. Coke, a Pepsi para, another flash. So, ito na yung binili ko dahil nakaless ako. So, syempre, nanay tayo, doon tayo sa my sale. Bumili din pala ako nitong harina dahil minsan si Ethan nagre-request ng waffle. Naubusan ako ng harina. Tapos, aluminum foil. Dahil naubusan ako ng aluminum foil. Ito para sa ating number 1. We also have duster. And patatas para sa ating sabaw. We have corn and red beans. Kidney beans. And bumili din ako ng steak dahil naka-sale. And for the meantime, itong gagamitin ko dahil nga hindi tayo nakakuha ng Gelbizak dahil sarado. Pero mamaya, baka open ngayon mamaya. Baka late lang silang mag-open. Ngayon pa kasi baka alas 9 sila mag-open. Kaya wala pa. Sarado pa. So, yan yung napamili natin na it cost 20 euro plus 11 it cost mga 35 euro ito lahat. So, mahal naman talaga ng mga pamilihin ngayon. So, ayan si asawa nagda-drive. Driving with one hand. Dahil kailangan namin mag-grocery and I'm napakalayo and it's so tiring it's so difficult to make grocery in the bike always with a lot of grocery. Flat na yung aking bike kakabiyahe. Kaya ayan. Gisingot na siya pag ayaw. Little bit stressed.
Just the problem is when I want to drive, I'm not allowed to take painkiller.
Why?
Before.
Why?
Because if I use the painkiller like the doctor gave me, I'm not
Sleepy?
able to drive anymore.
Why?
Because a little bit sleepy. That's why I don't take painkiller. The last painkiller I take was in the
Morning?
early noon. So already now
When it's hurting
6
now?
hours.
When it's hurting now?
Yes.
Oh yeah. And we will drive kuan lang slower kasi
5.
natatakot nga ako. Drive siya ng malakas kanina. Hatid pala kami ng DHL. Proxindong. Kawawa naman ito si asawa. Tingnan niyo yung kanyang itsura. Chup!
My mama and papa
Village. It's very small but it's so sweet.
Nagara ng kanilang mga cherry dito ba dahil nasa ano lang, nasa public areas.
Kumada,
Where?
konsideran.
Ube?
Over the garbage.
Alles gut. The other that is not so ripe is hello, it's really have a lot of
Then
it's really delicious. Problem is you cannot get it or you cannot get it with the other hand. Danke. Ang liit niya, parang talaga siyang aratilis sa liit. Pero sobrang tamis nito. Danke.
yeah, picking fruits.
So, ayan, nanguha kami ng mga cherry.
Normally, it's important that you get first to know picking fruits
Yeah.
before you
Get the higher?
get the higher
Really?
business, because you make first the easy that don't cost you a lot of money, and then you can make the other. Yeah,
Ang daming cherry, oh.
about not picking fruits and
And nasa public area lang ito, so pwede manguha.